Oh, look at that. It's a nice smell. Well, hello. You having fun? Oh, he's cute. Hello. You gonna come out and say hello?
Up these steps to the right is a favorite lunch spot of ours. Do watch the steps. They get a little slippery and they're a little tall. Hi there.
I love these tavern rules.
Alright, so this is a good place to stop, have a pint, get you some lunch, but don't be in a hurry. They do things low and slow, kind of never in a rush for anything, and that's just the way this place is. So be prepared to just sit and enjoy yourself.
Good things come to those who wait.
This is true.
I am starving. So I went with the Guinness, and you can't go wrong with one of those.
Oh, okay. That's good. I thought about it.
All right, I went with something equally Irish, but not as Guinnessy. And this is a Smittix. I'm pretty sure you go to jail or you get the glass smashed up beside the side of your face if you say Smithwick's. Just so you know. Okay, so I left out the most singular, mostest, importantest part of going to the Fox and Parrot Tavern. It is in the Arts and Crafts District, which takes it off of the main drag of Gatlinburg. It's quiet, there aren't a lot of people, and you can sit, collect your thoughts, and regroup. Key.
This is the special black egg.
So Will got the fish and chips.
Oh.
Yum. Katie got the scallops.
So do you want me to just like pour it?
Those look delicious too.
It should just slip out.
And Simon and I got the steak and mushroom pie.
Like one of the pieces and see if you like it first.
Yeah, I'll put on this. I'll put this on this little.
Just a small dab. Try it like.
I'll try not to.
Will's trying the malt vinegar.
Always, just a little. Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's strong. It's strong.
I'm not gonna do the best, but hey, whatever.
This is really good. Is it good? Good.
Well, I might need to let it cool down first. I like it.
You like it?
It's
Very
not bad.
good.
Tastes like if there was like lemon on it, you know?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
All right, so we got the steak and mushroom pie. Fantastic. Nice, crisp, flaky crust right here. And then you got that good, meaty, mushroomy gravy stuff in the middle. Fantastic. Love it. And the fries are excellent. Lunch at the Fox and Parrot Tavern. Good as always. Enjoyed it. I'm stuffed. Had a couple of good beers. Some peace and quiet. Can't stress that enough. Yeah, we'll be coming back.
It's one of our favorite spots.
Definitely not the fastest, but it's great.
Well worth the wait.
It is. Nightfall has fallen. And here we find ourselves at the Mysterious Mansion. A mansion full of mystery and horror and scares aplenty. Let's check this out.
Let's check it out.
Been afraid to do it all my childhood. Now I finally get to at the ripe old age of 40.
Yeah, finally.
And my children will be accompanying me. And my lovely assistant wife.
Hello.
Let's do this.
No.
Wonderful. It will be wondrous, Dad.
Ooh, spooky.
I took a picture when it wasn't glowing, now it is. Oh, spooky man.
All right, guys. What'd you think?
I thought it was good. I mean, haunted house.
That was your first haunted house.
Yeah.
Anything stick out?
Well, I got left in the bag, but that turned out to be good because you got all the jump scares at your face. But they did follow me a few times.
All right.
Would you go back?
Yes.
Yeah, I would go back. I mean, that
Yeah,
was
I
fun.
would too. It was great.
This is my first haunted house in probably 3 years. And like I said, I've never been to this one. Always seen it. Was too afraid as a kid. I loved it. The theming was awesome. It wasn't just your generic run-of-the-mill haunted house with only animatronics. There were actual actors in there. The theming, the decorations, it was all period with cobwebs on it. You got that feel like this was an old house.
The smells too. The smells in there.
Yeah.
Everything encompassing.
Everything fit.
Yeah.
You really got transported into that time and that element. So yeah, loved it. I'd do it again. All right. Well, here we are at one of our favorite restaurants in Gatlinburg, Calhoun's. Usually it's got great service, great food at a reasonable price, not much of a wait, usually. So let's see if it holds up this time.
Thank you.
That sounds good. The smoked ribs.
Okay.
Got a nice assortment of bread. And check out my salad. Yum.
So I got the Helles, which is a German lager, if I remember right. It's a very clean, easily drinkable beer. Kind of on the lighter side, but which is a little bit more flavor. Excellent.
So I got the porter, which is my new favorite, and it's roasty but very easy to drink, and I really think you ought to check it out.
Shall you?
So Katie got the half slab of ribs with tater tots and coleslaw. What did you get?
I got the ale steak of the 10-ounce variety, mashed potatoes, and spinach Maria. Pretty nummy nums.
I also got the ale steak and the spinach Maria. Will got bacon wrapped burnt ends.
Brisket.
So how is everything?
Steak is cooked to perfection. The spinach is fantastic. Those are really good potatoes. Yeah, they haven't slumped on their food.
I have to agree, everything is every bit as good as it ever has been here. Will, your burnt ends?
They're pretty good.
Those ribs were excellent. 10 out of 10.
All right, so overall, they did not disappoint. Same thing we've always loved about coming to this place. Every trip we go to Gatlinburg,
It's a must.
yeah. It's a much quieter version of the brewery. A little bit nicer, but the quality of the food is still great. They still have the majority of the beer selection from the brewery here, so I love it.
Service is always friendly. It's always a pleasant experience.
Get the ribs.
Katie says get the ribs.
Katie says, get the ribs. If you like this particular vlog, give it a big thumbs up. This is a personal favorite of mine right here. If you're new to this channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll be notified of our future videos that are released. Until then, see you next time. Have a good evening, folks. Stay
Thanks for
scared.
watching.